Another crazy video about Darrell Brooks. This was one of the craziest trials I have ever seen. And here's another video breaking down a situation in which Darrell Brooks' music video actually comes into evidence. And watch the end to see his response and reaction. Hey guys, Colton Richardson here, personal injury lawyer and former prosecutor. And some of the stuff I've seen in the Darrell Brooks trial, I have never seen before. And I've been in the courtroom for a lot of trials. So let's look at this video and break it down right here.
Stated for the record, can that be explained?
No, the jury will disregard the statements made by Mr. Brooks. They're not evidence, and the statement
So
continue.
this exhibit shouldn't be evidence then, because it
Mr.
didn't
Brooks, the
exist before
objection's
today.
noted, it's overruled. Go ahead.
There was a still photo shown before of Mr. Brooks standing in front of the Ford Escape. This is the video in which that still photo was taken from.
Objection, how does he know that?
Overruled.
You can ask that on
The
cross.
witness may answer. I'll give you the opportunity to question him about it when the state's done asking the questions. Go ahead.
Yep.
Where'd you get this video from, sir?
Objection, leading.
Overruled. The witness may answer.
From Mr. Brooks' social media account.
Okay. Your Honor, move to admit 178 and permission to publish.
Objection to the relevancy.
I'll find that
Still
it's
don't know how
relevant.
it's
I'll
obtained.
receive Exhibit 168. Permission to publish is granted. For the record,
So you have to ask to admit exhibit and publish it. Admitting it is just admitting it into the record. Publishing it is showing the jury. The judge obviously had a minority decided on this situation, and it's his music video that he wants to keep out. And so let's just see how he responds after this.
It's 178, Your Honor.
no, could you please tell me the length of the video?
The length is 2 minutes, 33 seconds. We're going to play it in its entirety, but without volume, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
And
I object to that, and I would like to make an offer of proof for my appeal.
We'll do that outside the presence of the jury, but I will allow the state to play it in its entirety without audio.
Your Honor, I have all the exhibits they were provided.
Mr. Brooks, I'll take that up along with the other two issues I still need to address.
But how can you play something that I didn't even
Mr. Brooks,
have?
I'll take that up outside the presence of the jury.
This
Your
is
objections are
mind-boggling.
noted.
This is
It's
mind-boggling.
overruled.
This is mind-boggling. Now, if he didn't have this evidence before today, then the state might not be able to use it, but obviously they got it from his social media, so he had it before today. So odds are that something like this would be able to still come in.
Mind-boggling.
actually, Your Honor, I changed my mind. I would like to play the audio, please.
This is
Oh.
mind-boggling.
I want to have it played first without, and then I'll make a ruling and I'll take that up.
Okay, I understand.
Thank you.
You can just see the
So we'll
difference
play the
between
entire video, Your Honor, 2 minutes, 33 seconds.
the
Objection
prosecutor.
to that. Why does the whole video need to be played? Is this setting the foundation?
It's relevant. You questioned the officer about it. You
I
questioned this
question him
detective.
about.
So she's saying it is relevant because Darrell Brooks questioned the officer about it. So he can actually open the door to more evidence to come in through his questioning, which is why another reason you should have a lawyer to make sure that you ask the right questions and phrase them in the right way so that more evidence does not come in.
About
I
his
question him
knowledge.
about the still frame from the video. The video wasn't even in the exhibits that I received.
Classy.
I actually didn't even receive them. They
Mr.
were
Brooks, please
obtained.
stop. The jury will disregard his statements. He's not testifying. The video's playing.
It's not good that he has guns in there. He's pointing them at the camera.
So play the sound. I want to hear it now.
Play the sound. I want to hear it now.
I'll address that later.
We address why it was created out of the blue too.
It was created out of the blue. I'd like to hear what he's saying in the video. That's for sure. About to say, how much longer is left?
Go ahead, attorney, after the video is finished playing.
Thank you, sir. Did you see during the playing of that video the image that was captured as a screenshot and presented to you in your direct testimony as states exhibit number 175?
Objection, leading.
Overruled. Foundational. The witness may answer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're just trying to get an exhibit in.
A lot of.
You were questioned on cross-examination as to your ability to identify Mr. Brooks in exhibit 175, correct?
So in every trial, you have to actually identify the defendant, and that looks like what the prosecutor is trying to do. You can lead to a certain extent, and this leading is fine.
Objection. That question was asked initially by Attorney Hopper.
Overruled. The witness may answer. Sorry.
Yes, I was.
As you just watched the entire video again now in court, as states exhibit 178, did you clearly see Mr. Brooks in that video, sir?
Objection, leading.
Overruled. The witness may answer.
I believe there's no doubt that that's Mr. Brooks in the video and later standing next to the Ford Escape.
Thank you. I don't have any other questions, Your Honor.
As to this particular piece of evidence only, Mr. Brooks, you may ask questions of Detective Casey.
Objection, Your Honor.
So on cross, you can only ask questions within the scope of the direct, and so that's what the judge was saying. You can only ask questions based on what the prosecutor has asked on their redirect.
I don't consent to being called that name. And yeah,
Noted. Do you have any questions for the witness?
This when did this video? When was this made a exhibit? Because I don't have it.
Objection. That's not a question for the witness, Your Honor.
That was a question. The question.
Sustained.
When was this
As to the
video
form
made
of
an
a
exhibit?
question.
When was this video made an exhibit? That is a question.
Not for the witness.
I object to the question directed at the witness, Your Honor. It's beyond the scope of his knowledge.
Sustained.
Well, he said he saw it.
But that's not the question asked. So you can rephrase your question if you want to.
When did you see this exhibit? When did you see it?
With the understanding that you're asking when did he see the video, I will
When
allow
did you
the
see
question
this
to be
exhibit?
asked. With that understanding, you may answer, Detective Casey.
Am I answering when I saw the video for the first time?
Yes.
Objection, Your Honor. Why is something always funny at that table?
So I guess the prosecutors were laughing, but the witness didn't even understand his question. Have you seen this video? Obviously, he's seen the video. He just watched it. So Darrell Brooks needs to ask better questions.
It would be the same thing. I'll take that as disrespect because they were allowed to say something and I said under my breath that was disrespect.
I would direct both parties to avoid commentary.
Okay, well, can you do that, please, and admonish them? Because I'm always the one getting admonished.
Everyone.
I take that as disrespect too.
Sir, I'm good. Can I do my job?
Yeah, give her
States
time.
directed to avoid laughing commentary. I didn't see it, so I can't further comment. I was looking at
All these
the
cameras
witness.
in here, don't nobody dare see
However,
nothing.
I'm advising both parties to show
Come on, man,
decorum
this is not fair.
and restraint, to be
I'm with-
respectful of this jury's time and attention, and to let them do their job by focusing on the testimony and exhibits and evidence that's presented. Go ahead, Detective Casey, you can answer the question about.
That is wild. Darrell Brooks, another crazy situation. His music video comes in and he's wanting the judge to light a fire underneath the prosecutors for laughing. The judge says she didn't see anything. And again, the judge is not going to teach evidence to Darrell Brooks. So another wild situation with Darrell Brooks. If you enjoyed this video, check out this next one where there's another situation with Darrell Brooks that you won't believe.